We have Angela and baby Kenny here. So, Angela, what brings you and Kenny into the office today?
Well, first I work here, and I was doing a little bit of talking with the doctor about baby Kenny. He had severe acid reflux, and the medication was recalled that he had, so they gave him a new medication that made him sicker. So I asked Dr. Pezzello. I said, what could I do for him? And he said, let's try adjusting his neck a little bit.
He knows me as upside down guy. I'm upside down guy. I'm upside down guy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like you're upside down, buddy. You're upside down, buddy. You're upside down. Oh, that's it. You're good. Oh, yeah. Feels good, right?
So we brought baby Kenny in. He's had 5 adjustments so far and no more acid reflux.
Yay!
He's doing great with it.
Great. Have you noticed any other differences?
He's a little happier. He sleeps a little better. He had a cold and he's less congested.
Great. And would you recommend that other people bring their infants in?
Absolutely. I also bring my 2-year-old in. She's been coming since she's been a little baby, 2 months old. She's been getting adjustments. She also had started CBD oil for her seizures. Recently we had stopped it because we haven't noticed any seizures. She did great on that. And her neck being adjusted is helping her sleep a lot better.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Angela. Thank you, Kenny.
See.
Bye-bye.